As a business owner or risk manager, what would you do when the lights go out? Right now, you find yourself in a situation where you don't fully understand what to do. Whether this be due to a DNO supply failure or a critical piece of equipment has failed, you will be asking yourself the question, how are you going to get the supply back onto your site? We understand the loss of productivity, the loss of revenue, and the impact this can have on the business that you own and run. Here at Pleavin Power, we have a whole range of solutions that can support you when the inevitable happens. You can contact us for contingency planning, emergency diesel generator support, or emergency response and disaster recovery. Our business is tailored to support yours and make sure that we can keep the power flowing 24/7. Whether you work in rail, manufacturing, petrochemical or pharmaceutical, in your darkest hour, call Pleavin Power.